Hello and welcome to Shopify Express. Today we will talk about a new, stunning and conversion-able theme, Debitify. Debitify is one of top most trending theme in Shopify, which is providing one of the most beautiful elements in it with both colors. It has a lot of colors with the products, color swatches available for the products. Here you can see a beautiful add to cart buttons, beautiful share buttons, tags, catalogs, tags, full details of products, and here we have a beautiful footer available here in this theme. Here we have top bar and menus, contact us page, products, buy suggestions, a beautiful design contact us page. Okay, we will see what we have in it. Go to customize. Debitify 3.0.1 is released and we have a lot of options in this theme. Here we have drawer menu like this, in which we can post up our menus and contact information, phone number and footer menus. We have announcement bar option. We can also add a custom messages in it. We have header. In header we can add content. In content we can add mega menu, products, collection, blog post, HTML code, custom HTML code, logos, everything we have in it. And we have how many sections we can add. We can add as many as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. We can add 18 sections: videos, maps, newsletters, featured product, text colors with images, testimonials, slideshows, logo lists, images, galleries, featured collection, collection list, blog post, custom HTML, pricing table and frequently asked questions sections in it. We have also another sections like here you can see we have theme settings available, advanced settings, card, color, custom style, script, favicon, review apps. We have also review apps options available. From these reviews we can add. We have also social media, typography. We have Debitify add-ons available, 41 add-ons we are available. Age check, automatic geolocation, card upsells, cookies bar, delivery time, Facebook Messenger, frequently asked questions, Instagram feed, inventory quantity, linked options, live view, mega menu, mobile view menu, newsletter pop-up, order tracking, page transition, pricing table, product image crop, product tabs, quantity breaks, quick view, recent view, viewed, sales countdown, sales pop-up, shop protect, size cart, smart search, social discounts, sticky add to cart, trust badges, upsell bundles, upsell pop-up and wish list. We have also add to cart animation, age check, a lot of things and features available in this theme. A beautiful theme available we have on the store. It will be like this. We can also change the whole color of the site. Now it is with this color. Our website Trust with Care is in under development mode in Debitify theme. Do try to buy this theme by following the link given below in the description at the end of this video. Do subscribe our channel and click on the bell icon for getting the latest videos coming up in the next series. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a good day. Bye bye.